Thank you. If I have come up till this point with no experience in AWS, all credit goes to you. I was looking for the best course, and I was lucky that I was in the right direction. So yeah, and it's true for my heart. And it was like a real struggle for me to get out of a tech stack, and this definitely helped. And yes. Everyone has to make their own efforts, but the starting point, the kickstart where you get, I think this is one of the best platforms. And I thank Sachin for giving me an opportunity to be in this session and share my experiences, how I have started my connect with Sachin. So as you all see, so October 16, 2024, this is how I started my conversation with Sachin on LinkedIn, where I had shared that I'm an ETL developer working on upskilling to a data engineer. I have got an opportunity to work in a project which has some AWS tools, Snowflake warehouse. I don't know anything, I'm ABC in AWS. And then I have signed up to your masterclass, but I don't know, I did not get any response. But Sachin was very quick enough. He did reply to me within an hour. He was on a break for a certain period of time, and he said he would be restarting his sessions soon. And when I saw one of the LinkedIn posts which was posted by Sachin, where he mentioned that he came up with the same kind of background, like the ETL background. Then he got an opportunity to work on AWS. He didn't know anything. He researched and he started working, and that story itself inspired me. If someone can do, even I can do. So then I thought, why shouldn't I try this approach as well? Structured, different AWS services like S3, IAM, CloudWatch, all these. The deep dive content helped me a lot in understanding what these individual components are. And to be honest, the ETL background only helped me a little bit, but the deep dive content actually helped me more, because it helped me to understand the concepts in depth. And every weekend we have this hackathon session. My sincere advice to all those who are joining this course: don't miss that hackathon session at any cost, because it is not just about doing the practical hands-on. It is about being in that room for 3 hours with the best minds, having the right intent to move forward. So you learn not just AWS, you learn different stories, different experiences, different industry backgrounds. Even hearing that for 3 hours, you would have improved your knowledge more than what you were yesterday. Much I can guarantee you that's what happened with me. That's a real story which I wanted to share with you. And so that's how it is very, very fruitful, the hackathon sessions. And the deep dive content, as Sachin mentioned, for you, how to complete those before the hackathon sessions. Yes, I do agree. Even I am a working resource like all of you, have family constraints, have timeline issues, maybe busy days in project. It will be little challenging to complete those before the hackathon. But but the benefit of completing those before that hackathon session is you already know the concept in detail, and the hackathon becomes really seamless experience. You understand each and every step very well, and you will be able to relate more. But it doesn't mean that if you had not completed, you would not understand, because Sachin will definitely explain those when doing the hands-on. Maybe not in depth, but enough to understand the hackathon session. And there were days where I was not able to complete the deep dive content. Even I have been that culprit of not completing the deep dive session before the hackathon. But still, I decided to end up showing the hackathon. Reason being, you'll understand a lot while doing that hackathon. So practical experience is more than very, very important, more than consuming the content. And I ensured that even if I didn't complete the deep dive session, without any fail, I will attend the live hackathon. No cost, no excuses in attending the live hackathon. So I think Sachin will be sharing it to you, where like how there will be one session where Sachin will explain you about resume strategy. There will be one session where Sachin will be explaining you about how you should frame your story to solve a problem. So that would be my suggestion to you all. So these are the like Paiswa questions, and to be honest, like this one is covered in Sachin's video.
Totally agree.
Yeah.
Even Sachin also used to say the same thing in our Sunday Connect, that try to help others so that you will get the
in our hackathons and also in deep dive as such. So by the end of the phase 2, you will have clarity on how to design using different services as 2 ways, right? So that will be covered. Don't worry about that. Okay. So Krishna, were you asked any question on that front, like designing architecture as such?
Yes, like Sachin, basically when I say like the step function.
Awesome. All right, thank you so much, Krishna, for all your time, and for others as well for being here and asking questions. And I've already shared the Krishna's document with you in the link. So again, thank you so much. And we'll probably, for everybody else, we'll talk next Sunday. And Krishna, we'll stay in touch, right?
Sure, Sachin, and I would thank you. If I have come up till this point with no experience in AWS, all credit goes to you. Like I was looking for the best course, and I was lucky that I was in the right direction. So yeah, and it's true from my heart. And it was like a real struggle for me to get out of a tech stack, and this definitely helped. And yes, everyone like has to make their own efforts, but the starting point, the kickstart where you get, I think this is one of the best platforms. Not just about learning AWS, but being in that hackathon 3 hours with the best minds with different industry backgrounds. Listening to them also will make you learn something which you didn't know yesterday. Yeah, super. That's what I can say.
All right, thank you so much, guys. Talk to you next weekend, and Krishna, let's stay in touch. All right, take care.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Sachin.
Bye.